sun's just come up again, so 3 work projects around this place have ceased, but as you can hear, doesn't matter. 3 major work projects stopped, but the sound still continues. How does this work? Like, how does that work? But also it's the sound situation is more like I was feeling a bit better. I get up, you know, you've been in pain and you get up, but you've stopped the pain, and then they start with the sound as soon as the sun comes up. So it's keeping you always at your lowest mental level. That's how this program in the suburb of Leichhardt in the city of Sydney works. That sound, because I've been sound sensitised over the last 8 years nearly now, continual sound every day, everywhere you go, everywhere. Every vehicle making a loud, aggressive sound. Every person literally psychopathically patrolling you in a citizen patrol policing system, which is combined with every place. The whole area is completely nothing but an army, anti-human, anti-life base, really, because there's so few humans, but most is part of this anti-human, anti-life program. Can you see it, hear it, or something? As soon as I open the door, plane over the head.